What's the meaning of concavity? Concavity. Concavity.
Concavity. Concavity. Concavity refers to the curve of a function that curves downward or is concave. This means that the slope of the function is decreasing at an increasing rate. A function is concave if, for any 2 points on the curve, the line connecting those 2 points lies above the curve. Graphically, a concave function appears as a curve that bends downward, like a frown. In practical terms, concavity is important in optimization problems because it helps identify maximum values. Understanding concavity can also help in interpreting the behavior of functions in economics, physics, and other fields.